They say you wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad about, but very wise was he.
The Monologue, the nightclub, a dance hall, bordella, all ruled over by Zidler. A kingdom of nighttime pleasures where the rich would come to play with the young and beautiful creatures. The most beautiful of all of them was the woman I loved, Satine. A courtesan, she sold her love to men. They called her the sparkling diamond, and she was the star of the Monologue. This is a story about love. The woman I love is dead.
What a magic day came my way, and while he spoke of many things, fools and kings, yes, he said the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.
I arrived in Paris 1 year ago. It was the summer of love, and I knew nothing of the Monologue or Harold Zidler or even Satine. The world had been swept up in this bohemian revolution, and I had come to Paris to be a part of it. Painters, writers, musicians, they were known as the children of the revolution.
Let it all hang out.
the Sati. I mean, the